The next crisis hit a city-wide flood, worse than anything before the community responded together. There were no official orders, no government directives. They didn't wait. People waded through the water to check on their neighbors. They shared food, blankets, and dry clothes. They organized themselves, creating makeshift shelters and rescue chains. They responded not because they were ordered to, not because they were promised a reward, but because they had already learned a fundamental truth. Waiting for someone else to fix everything was a luxury they no longer had. Their safety, their survival, was in each other's hands. Ayo stood among them, not as a leader, not as a hero, but as one of them. He was living proof of a simple, powerful idea. Proof that even when the world feels unbearably heavy, when everything seems to be falling apart, one small light can refuse to go out.